stunning nail designs on flower nail designs for short nails offers a unique set of challenges and opportunities. While shorter nails may have less surface area, they can still be transformed into beautiful canvases for floral-inspired nail art. Here are 5 flower nail designs specially curated for short nails. Number 1. Subtle floral accents. Embrace simplicity with subtle floral accents on short nails. Opt for minimalist designs such as tiny blooms or single petals delicately painted on a neutral base. Choose soft pastel shades like baby pink, lavender, or mint green to keep the look light and airy. These understated floral details add a touch of elegance to short nails without overwhelming their size. Number 2. Half Moon Floral Manicure. Make a statement with a half-moon floral manicure that elongates short nails. Create a crescent-shaped negative space near the cuticle area and fill it with intricate floral designs. Experiment with vibrant colors and bold patterns to draw attention to the nail bed. This design not only adds visual interest, but also creates the illusion of longer nails. Number 3. French tip florals. Put a floral twist on the classic French manicure by incorporating flower motifs along the tips of short nails. Instead of the traditional white tips, paint delicate flowers or floral patterns in vibrant hues. Choose contrasting colors to make the floral details pop against a natural or nude base. This modern take on the French tip adds a playful and feminine touch to short nails. Number 4. Negative space blossoms. Embrace the beauty of negative space with chic floral designs on short nails. Leave portions of the nail bare to create a minimalist backdrop for intricate flower patterns. Experiment with geometric shapes and asymmetrical layouts to add visual interest. Incorporate bold colors or metallic accents to make the floral designs stand out against the empty spaces. Number 5. Watercolor floral art. Channel your inner artist with watercolor-inspired floral nail art on short nails. Use a soft, blended technique to create dreamy flower designs reminiscent of watercolor paintings. Start with a light-colored base and layer translucent shades to achieve a soft, ethereal look. Add subtle details like splatters or swirls to enhance the artistic effect. This whimsical nail design is perfect for short nails and adds a touch of artistic flair to your fingertips. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 5 nail designs featuring flowers. We hope you found inspiration in these floral masterpieces and are excited to try them out for yourself. Remember, your nails are your canvas, so don't be afraid to get creative and let your personality shine through. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment sharing your favorite design and subscribe to our channel for more nail art tutorials and inspiration. Until next time, keep blooming and flourishing with fabulous floral nails.